so mellow. Try to remember the kind of September when grass was green and grain was yellow. Try to remember the kind of September when you were a tender and callow fellow. Try to remember, and if you remember, then follow. Try to remember when life was so tender that no one wept except the willow. Try to remember when life was so tender that dreams were kept beside your pillow. Try to remember when life was so tender that love was an ember about to billow. Try to remember, and if you remember, then follow. December, it's nice to remember, although you know there's nowhere to follow. Deep in December, it's nice to remember without the hurt, the heart is hollow. December, it's nice to remember the fire of September that made us mellow. Deep in December, our hearts should remember the follow.